Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Princess Ololade Oladimeji. You are all welcome to Africana 2020. Today, what I'm going to show to you how to cook jollof rice in African way. That's what I want to show to you, or how to cook your jollof that will give you a nice taste and delicious meal. Let's go as I show you the recipe for the jollof rice. Now let's go to my kitchen as we go now. Bye. Yeah, this is my recipe for my jollof rice. Firstly, I have all my peppers, shombo, atarudu, tomato, tatashe, onions, and I have water that we're going to use to cook it. This is my salt, and this is my oil. This is the ingredients that I'm using for the jollof rice to give to it taste. And this is the main one, the rice. This is parboiled rice that will make your rice come out fine when you after cooking it. Now let's go to the kitchen and let me show you how I blend the pepper before going to the kitchen. Let's go to the blender. Now this is all the ingredients. Let's go to the now this is my blender. This is how you blend the pepper. This is pepper. That's the pepper that I've just finished blending. You blend the pepper to smell. There you go. Yeah, thank you. Now this is my kitchen. This is my stove that I'm going to use, and my pot is ready for the jollof rice. This is the pot now that we're putting. Now I start with the ingredients. Ladies and gentlemen, back to my kitchen. Now this is the rice. I finished washing the rice right now. This is the rice, and this is the pepper cooking. The pepper I've been cooking for the past 30 minutes to 40 minutes now. The pepper is already, it has been done, cooked very well for the jollof rice. I'm now to put the rice into it for the preparation of the jollof rice. Now this is it. This is it. Now I use my orogun turner to turn it so that for the next 20 minutes or 15 minutes the rice will come out very fine for the jollof rice. Let's go now as I just cover the jollof rice, waiting for the next 20 minutes to get back to the rice. Again, thank you. Same Africana 2020. As my jollof rice is still on the fire, you cannot eat your jollof rice alone. You have to garnish your jollof rice with chicken, any kind of beef, goat, cow, whatever kind of meat or chicken, fish that you feel you want to garnish your jollof rice with. Now let me take you back to my table, my kitchen table that I have for my meat. I'm using meat for this afternoon jollof rice. Let me show you. Now this is my meat for my jollof rice for tonight. Then this is the recipe. Same thing, I'm still using red oil. And this is my pepper, tomato, shombo, and onions, water that I will use in washing the meat, and for some of the cooking of the meat. Let's see you once again. See you when the jollof still on this jollof rice of Africana 2020. Because Africana 2020 is so special, that's why this jollof rice is so special. Now we have other recipe going along with the jollof rice. Let's go. I shall show you. Now I have a vegetable here that sometimes when you want to eat your jollof rice, as I've said before, that we don't always want our jollof rice to be that too plain. You can eat your jollof rice with vegetable after finish cooking it. These are all the ingredients for the vegetable. Same pepper, tomato, onions, water, But the special thing there is that we use red oil for the vegetable. This is the red oil, and this is the spices. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Princess Ololade Oladimeji. You are all welcome to Africana 2020. As my rice is going on, I want to show you how you can prepare your plantain, because when you're eating your jollof rice, you may not want it just to be very plain. You can garnish your jollof rice with some plantain. Then I want to show you the ingredients, how to prepare the plantain. Let's go as I welcome you to preparing of the plantain. You are welcome. You want to prepare your plantain, your dodo. Firstly, you get your plantain, the ripe one. You can garnish your plantain in different way. This is another way of this is the way we normally do it back home. When everything become more socialized, you dice it this way, and sometimes you can dice it this way. This is the sugar way, and this is the oil for the plantain. And what you need next is the salt for the plantain. You are welcome as I go to the kitchen and start frying the plantain. At the end of it, I show you the outcome of the plantain. You are welcome. Thank you. Thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome once again to the Africana 2020. Now I'm about to fry my plantain. I'm taking you to my kitchen once again to show you. When you want to fry your plantain, you put your fire. This is my small pot that I'm using for the plantain, and I'm putting the groundnut oil right inside the plantain now, ready for the frying. I'm putting the next one. I'm putting is the dodo. Let me put the dodo now into the plantain, into the hot pepper, hot oil that we're using today, groundnut oil. The groundnut oil. Now I'm putting my plantain. As the plantain gets brown, it depends the way you want it to get brown, maybe deeply brown or lightly brown. Let's go as the plantain is on the fire. Thank you.